Hi, this is Nicole Janes with the ODELL Group at 7 Gables Real Estate, and I want to welcome you to my newest listing at 2317 Carroll Drive in Fullerton. This gorgeous 4-bedroom home is on a willow tree-lined street in a great area, and I think my favorite thing about this house is the open concept living space that has a chef's kitchen, which is to die for, and some gorgeous French doors off the dining room leading straight out to the gorgeous backyard. Let's check it out.